How to start investing in mutual funds? When is the right time? Is there a right time? Is the real question. Are you considering investing in mutual funds but unsure where to start or whether now is the right time? You're definitely not alone. Today, we're going to break it down in this video and address the big question as to is there really a right time to start investing? Let's begin with the basics. What is a mutual fund? Think of it as pooling money with a group of people while a professional fund manager invests that money in assets like stocks, bonds, or other investments. Mutual funds are an excellent way to get started with investing, even if you're not an expert in the stock market. So, is there a perfect time to start investing? Honestly, no. The best time to start was probably yesterday, and the next best time is definitely today. Here's why. The power of investing lies in something called compounding. It's like planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow. Waiting for the perfect moment to invest is similar to waiting for ideal weather to start your garden. Here's a spoiler alert. It's never perfect, but what truly matters is starting rather than focusing on timing. So now the next big question is, how do you get started? It's way simpler than it sounds. Here's a straightforward guide. First, you set a goal. Are you saving for a house, a vacation, or retirement? Try and answer that question. Second, decide how much you can invest. Even small amounts can accumulate over time. And third, choose the right fund. Start with something simple like an index fund or a balanced advantage fund, etc. Fourth, open an account. You can do this through your bank or an online investment platform. And here's a pro tip. Consider starting with SIPs, systematic investment plans. They allow you to invest a fixed amount regularly so you don't have to worry about market fluctuations. Now I know what you're thinking. What if the market crashes? Or what if I lose money? Here's the thing. Investing is more of a long-term game. Markets will keep going up and down, but over time they typically grow. The key is definitely consistency. Don't let short-term fears hinder your ability to build long-term wealth. Now let me show you how starting early can make a huge difference. Meet two friends, Abhishek and Nakul. Abhishek starts investing 1,000 per month in an SIP at the age of 25 and keeps investing consistently for 30 years. Nakul waits until he's 35 to start but invests double, so 2,000 per month for 20 years. Both of them earn an average return of 12% per year. Now here's the surprising part. Abhishek's total investment is 3.6 lakhs, but his wealth grows to a whopping 35.29 lakhs by the time he's 55. Nakul, despite investing 4.8 lakhs, he ends up with 19.93 lakhs. That's almost double the wealth for Abhishek because he started earlier. This is the power of compounding. It rewards time more than the amount you invest. It's not about how much you invest, it's about when you start. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. So like they always say, the earlier, the better. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Whether you invest 500,000 or more, just take the first step. That's what's more important. Small actions today can lead to significant results tomorrow.